Okay, welcome everybody back to my YouTube channel, FJ40 365. So today I've got a very special reveal for you guys. I've been waiting on this for a few days from Amazon.com, and today I got a co-host, my baby Isabella. She's been a good sport. So earlier today we mounted the winch plate on my FJ40. So now I want to install the new worn Vr10. So today is just going to be unboxing, and I just want to share with you what's in the box as it comes to you from Amazon.com. Are you ready, baby? You ready to do this? Okay, here we go. Stay tuned. Okay, so here we go. So this box, when you get this from Amazon.com, this thing weighs, good Lord, I would say, let's see, what does it say on this thing? 60, 70 pounds? What does it say on here? I don't know. I think it's around 60 to 80 pounds. But the funny thing here is when I got this from Amazon, I got this yellow sticker on here that says Team Lift. So I've never seen that before. This is heavy. Alright, so here we go. Unveiling the worn Vr10. And I got this on Amazon.com. It took me a few days to get it here. I believe I paid around, I don't know, $4.99 with the free shipping. So if you're looking for a worn winch, they have all sizes there. The 8, 9.5, 10, 12, 15, 17 1,000 pounders. But I went with just the standard duty electric winch. It was in my price point. I've never had to use a winch while I'm out there, but there's been a few times this year where I've been out and I didn't go any further because I didn't want to get stuck. I didn't have a winch. So for those times that when I'm out there by myself, it's nice to have a little bit of insurance. Alright, here we go, guys. Open this bad boy up here. Come on. Here we go. So what I understand is that this thing comes all ready to go. You don't need to put this thing together other than wire the electricals together. So we'll see. It's got some real big heavy-duty staples in the front, but that's no match for this guy. All right. Ta-da! Wow, what do you think, Isabella? Is that pretty or what? All right, so just some cardboard boxes, cardboard pieces to protect it from getting scratched up. Some hardware, a hook, nuts and bolts for the electrical, looks like, and the mounting onto the plate. Let's see what's down here. Looks like this was looks like this is all beat up right here. So I wonder if this was a like a remanufacture or something. I don't know. I'll have to call Amazon. Alright, so this is a remote controller that you plug in. Oh, the fair lead. Now this is pretty cool. So generally the cable versions don't come with this kind of fair lead. They usually come with the roller style. But this is, good Lord, I would say 15 pounds. I think it feels like it's cast iron, powder coated. Here. Can you hear that? Let's just bang that on the ground. I'm going to go see how this thing fits on this baby. Ooh yeah. That's nice. Okay, so again, real nice fair lead here. You can tell it's got a nice semi-gloss finish, and it's definitely cast iron. All right, Isabella, we're almost there, baby. You're doing good. Looks like the manual and a sticker. All right. And the cable. So, okay, and here's the actual winch. How am I gonna get this thing out of here? Okay. Whoa. Try that with a baby on your shoulder. Hello, everybody. Okay, so looks like, so as you guys all know, the VR here is all weather sealed, waterproof. Yeah, see, like I said, it's all hooked up. You can see the solenoid is all sealed, and you can mount this. You can take this the controller off of this and mount it anywhere under the hood, in the cab, so that if you want to install this, let's say under the bumper, to keep it concealed a little better, you can do that. So it gives you a lot of options. Look at this. So this is looks like it's to the battery terminal. This is a super heavy duty cable here. What is this? What size is this sucker? I don't know. It's pretty big. This is a big screwdriver. It's about, well, this is bigger than the screwdriver. It's got a little protective shield around the cable and the ground terminal. So yeah, that's it. You got the black and the red. That's it. And they're both about the same size length. I would say you got about 4.5 feet of cable. So let's take a look at the controller here. So again, one last thing about this Warn winch is this is waterproof, and I love the way. Now, before I bought this, I went to my local shop, and I went and touched, played with it, kissed it, hugged it, all that good stuff. But what I love about this controller here is that this is waterproof as well, and it's very heavy duty. So here it is. I love it. And I think they gave you around 12 feet of cord on this remote, and it's very simple. Forward, reverse. That's it. Forward, reverse, and then when you let go, it stops. It's neutral. Okay, so hold it down, forward, stop, pull it back, reverse. Yep. All right. And last but least, the hardware. Okay, so this is pretty nice, forged clip here. Let's see. I'm not sure how many pounds this is rated for here, but it's got to be at least 10,000 pounds, and it's got the W for Warn, and it says forged. So that's a nice, you know, if you're into that kind of shit. Pretty cool. There you go. And we're almost done, baby. Hang in there, my little co-host. Alright, and then it looks like just a few nuts and bolts here to install the winch onto the plate and the fair lead. And I think that does it about for unboxing. So here's your clutch. Here's to unwind it, to lock it in gear. That's it. That's all you got to do. So I'm hoping I get this installed tonight. Hopefully it'll take me less than half an hour. Then after I get installed, okay, my co-host, she's done. So thank you for watching, you guys. Thank you for watching. I hope that you will stay tuned and watch the next video on how to install this Warn winch, the Vr10, on my FJ40. Thanks again. And don't forget to subscribe.